11 biogeographic, 11 different variety areas are there for biogeographical classification of India. Why India is a mega biodiversity country having different climatic conditions, topography in different parts of country. These variations have induced much variability in flora, and fauna. It occupies 10th position among the plant-rich countries of the world. Plant-rich countries of the world, 10th position. It's very important to know and study the distribution, evolution, and environmental relationship of plants and animals in time and space. In order to know about the distribution and environmental interaction of flora and fauna of our country, biogeography classified our country into actually 10, but it's the 11th one also there. Biogeographic zones. Each of the zone has its own characteristics, climate, soil, and biodiversity. Biotic and abiotic factors are different. They having their own characteristics. Diversified nations, diversified things. So like this. See here, this is the Trans-Himalayas, then Himalayan region, northeast, Gangetic Plain, desert, Thar Desert, semi-arid area, Deccan Peninsula, Deccan Plateau, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, coast, islands. Biogeographical classification of India is the division of India as per biogeographic characteristics. It is the study of distribution of species, biology, biotic components, organisms, and ecosystems in the geographic space through geological time. Trans-Himalayan zone, desert zone, semi-arid, Western Ghat, Deccan Plateau, Gangetic Plain, northeast, coastal zone, islands nearer the shoreline. So here we are Trans-Himalayas and then Western Himalayas, total as same. Western and Trans-Himalayan region and then Himalayan region. Here we are showing differently Western Himalayan and then Eastern Himalayans. Okay. Trans-Himalayan region. Trans-Himalayan region. Eastern and then Western Himalayas. Northeast zone. Gangetic Plain, wherever Ganga river is flowing. Coast, here and here. Coastal area, here and here. Semi-arid zone, this. Desert, Thar desert area, Rajasthan. Western Ghats, Deccan Plateau, this one entire. Islands, this is also further divided, but division biogeographical classification. If we are combining Himalayas, including Western and Eastern, it is 10. It is divided 11. Each zone Each biological zone, biogeographic zone, having their own unique identity of flora and fauna. These are rich biodiversity reasons. But nowadays, biodiversity is going to extinct slowly. It is going to extinct due to various reasons, many reasons, poaching, habitat loss, everything, man-wildlife conflict. But if we lose everything, biodiversity is going to the extinction. Many plants are going to extinction. Human population affect a lot. If biodiversity is degrading, there is a lot of unexpected diseases like corona. Everywhere, every microorganisms, plant species, medicinal plant species, different animals, if everything protecting us from the various diseases. Medicinal plants with their medicinal effects, which our surroundings are there. Whenever vegetation and then diversity is lost, diversity will be lost. What will happen? Entire whatever the remaining things, maybe any kind of any microbes or bacteria, virus, they are affect directly to the human beings. Wherever vegetation is rich, first that microbes, that virus will go to that plants or animals or species, other species. But whenever biodiversity is decreasing, vegetation is decreasing, variety and then variation is decreasing, they directly attack to human being. With many case study reports, I am explaining this thing. One best example is COVID virus. Nowadays, this pandemic, buzzing, everywhere COVID. Everybody is shivering with the disease. Hence, we have to conserve biodiversity. Even though if we require, we have to utilize at the same time, parallelly we have to conserve. Any medicinal plants, if we require, we have to use. But by the by, we have to conserve. That is the importance. Actually, this much variety of, rich variety of biodiversity zones are there in our India, but now this in second wave, our India is affecting a lot. See the imagine the situation. That is the greatness of biodiversity, what we have to conserve, why we are neglecting.